What's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly the step-by-step plan that is required for you in order to get a no response to where do I sign up in 7 strategic days without being pushy or desperate. See, most coaches, consultants, service providers, while selling high ticket, they are doing these 3 things. They are doing sales calls, but sometimes they even get ghosted after a sales call. They feel frustrated when a warm prospect disappears after saying, I need to think about it. I'll speak to my partner. I'll get back to you, and it continuously happens with them, and the frustration level just keeps on increasing and increasing, and they want a professional system to reopen conversations and re-engage interest and close clients with confidence and ease. Now the main problem happens is that when you start the re-engagement of conversation and when you start the reopening of conversation, a lot of people are going to get hosted. A lot of people are going to get ghosted because they do it completely wrong. You're doing it in a way that you're only looking out there and you're behind them for their money. And obviously, if somebody was approaching me with the same kind of mindset, then I would also not be willing to, have a conversation with them. Now, why does this specifically matter? See, you're already investing time, energy, and emotion into every single sales call. And losing prospects just because you did not follow up correctly is equal to leaving money on the table. If you are able to just fix this one thing, just imagine you'll be able to make more sales effectively. And this simple but powerful 7-day system will show you exactly how to follow up without feeling needy, how to reframe conversations with authority so that people see you as the expert and not as some pushy salesperson who's running behind them, how to stay on top of the mind without annoying people, and how to create FOMO and emotional commitment, which is extremely important while doing a high ticket sale. So before we do that, I want to share with you who exactly we are. See, we have helped hundreds of clients launch their businesses organically and using paid ads since 2020. And here's a link to our case studies and how we've been helping out people. And before I share with you exactly how this entire 7-day system works, go and subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you know exactly where you can find this kind of value the next time you're on my channel. Okay. Now, who is this not for? Anyone who sells a program that don't work or sells physical products. Okay. You want to make sure that we are sharing this ethical system only with people who want to create an impact out there. And here's how the 7-day system works. And it's really, really simple, really, really powerful. And I'm going to give you the exact message templates and every single thing. Okay. So basically, day number 0, right after the call, send them a warm thank you message. Like create an emotional anchor while the call is still fresh, because you've talked about a lot of things, a lot of personal conversations happen on the call. So make sure that do that personal connect right after the call. Create an emotional connect right after the call. And what can you say? I'll just share the templates as well. Day number 1, follow up mentioning they need time to think, right? You actually anchor back that, oh, you needed that much time to think about it. So respect their process, but you reopen gently. Day number 2, share a testimonial directly related to their situation. For example, if I'm going on a call with a freelancer who's running an AI agency, then I would be probably sharing a testimonial of someone else who's running an AI agency and who's my client, So very, very directly to their situation, the problems that they are facing. Now, what this will do is this will build belief through social proof. Day number 3, share a value packed short video, not salesy, nothing like that. For example, I'm creating this YouTube video. So if some prospect of mine is not really responding to me, I would be sharing this YouTube video to them, just like mentioning about what this can help them with. Again, the more specific things you share to them according to their situation, the easier it will become for them to trust you, and therefore you can eventually close them off, So you've been on a call with this prospect for like so many hours, like 1 hour, 1.5 hour probably. So you know exactly their business problems or their personal problems. You know exactly what is the situation they've been through, and you could actually share them value videos or create specific Loom videos for them, just for them and their situation. Day number 4, send a micro win tip based on their challenge, a very, very small win. So let's say if somebody comes to me and tells me, hey Aditi, my show up rate on the sales call is very less. I book a lot of calls, but even 30% of them are not coming on the calls. So I would like just share a micro win tip, like a very small strategy to help them achieve and bridge that gap. So that will give them a micro win, which is just like increasing the show up rate on their sales call. Day number 5 is ask them to visualize their ideal future. And what this does is this will help them to reconnect to their emotional why. Because now that 5 days have gone, your call is also over. They need to still, they're not still closed yet. You still want to keep them engaged into their emotional why, that what exactly made them come into the call in the first place, and solving these problems or solving these challenges, how would it impact their future in the future, And then day number 6, close the loop with a soft scarcity reminder. So basically you're creating urgency and offering a high status exit, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So here are exact message templates that I use, and these are exactly what is helping me to close 30 to 40% extra in just follow-up sales every single month in our company. Hey Naeem, just wanted to say I really enjoyed our conversation today and excited about what's ahead for you. No matter what you decide, appreciate you and thanks for your time. Like really simple, non-pushy, nothing related to the business, just anchoring back to the conversation you had. Probably you could mention about the goals and they have, and like really excited for you to achieve these goals and build the vision or build the company that you're visioning for. Day number 1, after 24 hours. Hey Naeem, like just following up, as you mentioned, probably when you send this as a voice note, this will help you better. So just following up to the conversation we had yesterday, as you mentioned, you need a little bit of time to think about it. If you have any new questions or thoughts that have come up, let me know. I'm really happy to help whenever you are ready. Just sending them this message and being in front of them. Day number 2. Hey Naeem, thought of you when I remembered my client X's story and they were in a similar place. Fast forward to today, they are now making this much. Super inspiring. Just wanted to share this recent win that they shared with us, and boom. You share a testimonial or a screenshot. Day number 3, sharing something you might find helpful, and then, insert a video link. Probably do it very specific towards their situation, because the more specific you are, the better they will feel that, oh, this person really cares about me, and they're not like sending the same thing to everyone, Day number 4, hey Naeem, quick actionable idea based on what you shared over the call, and this was a challenge that you were facing. So I think this could actually help you out. Day number 5, curious. If everything worked out exactly how you want in the next 6 months, what would your life or business look like for you? Always love hearing people's visions. Just opening up a conversation which is not about business. And day number 6, hey Naeem, I'm closing out on my this for the month soon. If you'd like to lock in a spot or revisit, now would be a great time. Either way, cheering for your success. Again, a very non-pushy way, guys. By day number 6, if somebody is still not at the place to buy from you, then you would probably have to follow up with them later, because in this way, so what we do is, let's say out of 100 people, we are able to close like 4 to 5 people when we follow the sequence really properly. And that's like, extra sales for us, which is absolutely crazy. Now, why the system works is it reopens conversations without any pressure. It creates authority and trust instead of you chasing. Like you're just giving them value, just being in front of them, just sharing solutions, just sharing them solutions to their problems, which is absolutely something that nobody in today's world takes the time out to do that for people. And when you do that, they will remember you. When you follow this sequence, if people are not getting close now, they would probably come back to you maybe months later or a year later, but they will remember you. Oh, that, Aditi shared this with me and I think this could really help me out. And it's absolutely true, because it's happened with me so many times. And so last month we closed a client and she had a sales call with my team in the month of, I think, January, and we closed her last month, which is absolutely crazy. That's almost like 8-9 months later. We closed her in September. So that's crazy. Now, this also triggers FOMO naturally without faking urgency, and it protects your energy and status as a premium coach or consultant, So this will definitely help you to get there and follow up with your prospects properly. Now, if you need more help and you're ready to scale your business to $5,000 to $10,000 to $100,000 a month, then read this. We've helped hundreds of coaches, consultants, service providers to get high ticket clients. And this is like our personal result, where we had a $75,000 launch and $57,000 cash collected. This is one of our clients, Aditya, and he had a $500,000 launch in just like a month of working with us. And how do you get started? Basically, you click on the link and book a call to see how can we help. All right. And all these resources, you will be able to find it out in the description. If you have any questions, just put that in the comment section below and I'll be happy to, help you guys out. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.